Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to make a cool origami sword like the one I am showing you. Remember to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the video. To fold this, you will need 20 by 20 centimeter paper, but any square paper will work. Fold the paper in half along both diagonals. Okay, let's bring one corner to the other. Open it up and fold the left corner to meet the right. Next, rotate the paper and bring the edges to the center crease. Open up the creases and fold the bottom edges to meet the center crease. Open up those two folds and collapse the corners together. Fold the edge point to meet the center crease. Open the fold up and fold the other side to meet the center crease. Fold that same edge point to meet the crease you just made. Open that up and do the same with the other side. Now what you want to do is fold the edge corner to meet the other crease. Fold the other side to meet the same crease. Flip the paper over and unfold the collapsed creases. Reverse these creases to form a triangle. Collapse the creases along these two lines. Unfold the same collapsed folds on the right side and flip the paper over. Collapse those creases along the triangle to the center crease and flip the paper over. Fold the triangular tabs to the bottom half of the paper and then fold them to the center crease. Unfold them and fold them to the center crease along the opposite diagonal. Collapse the paper outwards along these diagonals. Now create a crease connecting these two vertical folds. Fold the bottom edge up once more to meet the crease you just made. Flip the paper over. Now, fold the edges to the center crease. Now, flip the paper over and reverse the folds. Now reverse the top section and smooth out the creases. Collapse those folds on the other side. Flip the paper over and fold the bottom section as far as it will go. Now fold down on that same crease where the arms intersect. Now fold the bottom edges to the center crease, pulling a little pocket along with it. Fold the bottom edge of the arm along the top edge. Repeat the same step on the left arm. Fold that excess paper over the handle of the sword. This next step is purely cosmetic. Flip the paper over and reverse fold the arms upward. Now you have a finished origami sword. Comment what origami you want to see next video.